In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain on Shopify. Let's dive right in and ensure this process is as smooth as possible for you. First, it's essential to understand why transferring your domain might be necessary. Whether you're consolidating your hosting services, looking for better domain management features, or simply transitioning your business to Shopify, transferring your domain is a key step for maintaining your online presence. We'll start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once there, navigate to the Online Store section on the left-hand sidebar and select the Domains option. Here, you'll be able to see all the domains currently associated with your Shopify store. Now, to transfer your domain, you'll need to click on the Transfer Domain button, which you will find in the upper right-hand corner. This will bring up an option to either transfer domain from a third party or an existing domain within Shopify. Since we are focusing on transferring an existing domain, click on the option for transferring an existing domain within Shopify. It's important to ensure that the domain you are transferring is eligible. Check that it's been at least 60 days since the domain was registered or last transferred, otherwise, it may not be eligible as per the rules of most registrars. In the next step, you'll be asked to enter the domain you want to transfer. Type in your complete domain name, but make sure to double-check your spelling here as errors could lead you to transfer the wrong domain, something nobody wants. After entering your domain, click on Next. Now, before proceeding further, you should unlock your domain at your current registrar if it is locked. Log into your current registrar's dashboard, and you should find an option to unlock your domain. This step is crucial because, without doing so, your domain transfer might hit a roadblock. Once it's unlocked, get the authorization code, also referred to as the EPP code, from your current registrar, as this code is required to verify your ownership of the domain. Once you have the code, enter it in the appropriate field and click Continue to initiate the transfer process. Read through the conditions carefully, and if you agree, select the option to agree with the transfer conditions and proceed. After this, Shopify might ask for a few more confirmations to ensure everything is in order and that the transfer is legitimate. Usually, it takes about a few days for the entire transfer process to be completed. During this period, keep an eye on your email for updates from Shopify, as they may require further verification or actions from you. Once done, your domain will be successfully transferred to Shopify, allowing you to manage everything seamlessly from one platform. I hope this guide has been straightforward and informative, helping you to transfer your domain to Shopify without a hitch. Stay tuned for more tutorials that simplify your e-commerce journey.